Let's explore the Reports page and learn all about it. Start by selecting the device or devices for which you want to get your reports. Select the time range you wish to query. You can do this by using a custom time range, selecting Date From and Date To. Or select one of Greenbox quick choices. For instance, select Last 7 days. Distance traveled shows the total distance traveled in each day and the total distance in the query. Driving times shows the device moving activity by reporting start time, stop time, and activity duration. Stop times shows likewise stop times between moving activities. Fuel consumption gives you the average fuel consumption and the total fuel consumption within the chosen time range. Beware, the report will only work if you indicate your vehicle average consumptions in the settings page. Alarms display the list of all the events sent by your device. Check your device product manual for more information about this topic. You may also check its position on the map by clicking on each position map icon. Trips is only available to few devices. Check the product manual for details. The trip report gives you an overview of each trip, providing for both trip start and trip stop, date, time, geo-coordinates, address. For each trip, the report shows the trip duration and the total distance traveled. The Positions report lists all positions received on Greenbox from your device. Each item in this list reports geo-coordinates, date, time, and speed. You may export an XLS file for most of the reports. To do so, just press the Export to XLS button.